Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Photoshop Generative Fill for video compositing, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Photoshop Generative Fill for video compositing, start by launching Adobe Photoshop. Ensure you have the latest version installed for optimal performance. Open the video file you want to work with by navigating to File, then Open. Select the video layer from the Layers panel. If the video layer is locked, double-click it to unlock. Right-click on the video layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This allows for non-destructive editing of your video. Now, select the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar. Use this tool to draw a selection around the area you want to fill. After making your selection, go to the Edit menu. Select Generative Fill from the drop-down list. In the Generative Fill dialog, you have options for fill settings. Choose either Content Aware or Prompt for Fill based on your needs. If you select Prompt for Fill, provide a description of what you want to generate. Click the Generate button to begin the process. Photoshop will analyze the content and create a fill. Once the fill is generated, review the outcome in the preview window. If satisfied, click OK to apply the changes. If adjustments are needed, you can refine your selection and try again. After finalizing the fill, you can move or resize it as required. To export your work, navigate to File and choose Export. Select the format that fits your video requirements. Finalize the settings and click Export to save your video. Now, you have successfully set up Photoshop Generative Fill for video compositing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.